My experience has been really, really good, and I follow up with the exercises, and so now I have literally no pain. Here I am where, the machines and with the exercises where I was shown what to do, and they're simply enough that I know I'm doing them right.
Compared to the first x-ray I had, the progress has been unbelievable. The curvature in the spine above my waist is 10 degrees less than the original x-ray. I thought that was fabulous. It's like magic.
It's been fantastic coming here, and the results that we're getting are remarkable. We couldn't be happier, honestly.
My daughter was diagnosed with scoliosis at 11 and a half years of age. And upon diagnosis, we were referred to an orthopedic surgeon who at that time told us to simply watch and wait. We did return 6 months later, and my daughter's curve had progressed from 20 degrees to 35 degrees. At that point, the orthopedic surgeon suggested a brace. When we went for the follow-up x-ray, my daughter's curve had now progressed to over 50 degrees. Thankfully, the physical therapist recommended Dr. Andrew Strauss. Dr. Strauss recommended the intensive treatment for my daughter, which was a 2-week treatment including exercises, therapies, and a brace fitting. After 2 weeks, my daughter's curve improved from 50 degrees down to 32 degrees, making her no longer a surgical candidate.